Hi everyone, so in this video we're just going to be continuing with our factorization by grouping. So this is the second part to our previous video where we introduced and went through some examples with factorizing by grouping. So here we just have 4 questions that we're going to go through, nothing major. You can pause the video, try the questions on your own, and then when you're finished attempting it, you could press play and then you could get all the answers, right, to really test yourself. Alright, so we're going to jump ahead and start with number 1. So in number 1, we have 2p plus pq plus 4q plus 8. Remember factorization by grouping, we pair them off, right? Pair off the first 2, then pair off the second 2. Now in 2p plus pq, we clearly have p in common, right? So open brackets, p by 2 will give me back that 2p, plus p by q will give me back that pq. Right? Plus, let's get our second pair now. We have 4q plus 8. Our common factor, the number that can go into, highest number that can go into both 4 and 8 is 4. Right? So 4 by q will give me back that 4q plus 4 by 2 will give me back that 8 there. Right? Now, I'm just going to show you something here. P, open brackets, 2 plus q is the same as saying plus 4, open brackets, 2 plus q. Remember, q plus 2 is the same as 2 plus q. It's like saying 2 plus 3 is 5. And then if you reverse it, 3 plus 2 is also 5, right? So remember, addition is commutative. You can switch it around, right? So we have the same thing in on our brackets. So our first bracket, you can put the 2 plus q. You could have put p plus q, same thing, doesn't matter. And then second bracket says p plus 4, what's on the outside here, right? Now let's look at number 2 here. So let's group off 5x minus xy, and then the 10 minus 2y. So now 5x minus xy, they have x in common. So x by 5 will give me back the 5x. Take away x by y will give me back that xy, right? Or minus xy. So put your plus in the middle. 10 minus 2y, they have 2 in common. So open brackets. 2 by 5 will give me back that 10. Right? And remember, you want to get a minus here, right? A positive by a negative will give me back the minus. And well, 2 by y will give me back that minus 2y, right? And you see we have the same thing repeated here. So our final answer will be 5 minus y, open brackets. Sorry, close brackets. And then the next bracket will be what's on the outside, x plus 2. Right? Number 3, pair off. And now 6a squared minus 9a. Now, let's look at the numbers first, 6 and 9. The highest number that can go into 6 and 9 is 3. So pull out that 3. We have a squared and then we have a. Remember, we went through this before. This is like a to the power 1, right? So you pull out the letter with the lower power, right? Which is just a. So let's go now. 3 by 2 will give me back that. And a by a will give me back that a squared. Right? Put your takeaway sign in the middle. 3 by 3 will give me back, well, 3a by 3 will give me back that 9a there, right? Put your minus sign in the middle. 2ab plus 3b, they have b in common. So now, well, minus by a plus will give me back that minus, right? So b by 2a will give me back that minus 2ab. And a minus by a minus will give me back this plus here. And b by 3 will give me back that positive 3b there, right? So you see I have the same thing repeated here. So our final answer will be 2a minus 3, what's in brackets. And my next bracket is what's on the outside, 3a minus b. And our last question here, a squared plus ab. Pair them off. Everything is positive, so you don't have to worry about any negative signs. Alright, so a squared plus ab, right? So you're going to pull out the a. Whenever you have a squared and you have a alone, you pull out the a, right? Alright, so a by a will give me back the a squared, plus a by b will give me back ab. And then plus here, we have just simply a plus b. They have nothing in common. So what we can do is just pull out 1, number 1, right? And then, well, 1 by a will give me back the a, 1 by b. Here we get back the same thing inside the brackets, right? And my final answer will be a plus b. and then my second bracket will have a plus 1. Again, this is all about practice, so just keep on practicing. You will get the hang of it. Keep on trying over the questions. You could try any questions you have in whatever textbook you have at home. But again, it's all about practice, and I know algebra is something people already like, which is totally understandable, but with like anything else in life, it's all about practice. Keep on practicing until you get it right. So you're going to fail a couple times, so just keep on doing it over and over. Keep practicing, right? All right, so I'll see you all in my next video.